Hey there, welcome to GTech AI. In this video, I'm going to show you best AI image generator for Android without no limit. You need to know. If you found this video helpful, consider liking, subscribing, and hit the bell icon. Now, open the app. The name of the AI image generator is REMIX. Now, open the app. Make sure you sign in. Use your Gmail or sign in. Use Discord. Gmail is the best. Use your Gmail. Now sign your Gmail in. See you on the other side. Now after signing in, following the signing process, now here I will show you everything you need to know about REMIX. Always know that REMIX is an AI image generator. Now here is the home page. As you can see the home page, here is the search page where you can search for any image and remix it. Now here is where you can create your own, or where you can generate your own AI image. Now here, let me show you how this place work. Now here there are two options: from text, which means generating the image using text, writing out text. But this one is from image, which means transforming your already made image into AI art or AI image. Now I will show you how these both work. Now let's dive into the first one, from image. Now click on the from image. Here type in anything you need to for the AI to generate. Now you see what I've written: a man having egg head. Also, you can use this icon in order to ask the AI for the best option to enhance what you have written, like this. As you can see, it has generated its own. Now you can add style by clicking on this style icon. Here you select the style you want. See it now, and after selecting it, click on apply. As you can see it now, you hit on generate for the AI to generate the image for you. As you can see, it is processing it, aka generating it. Wait for it. As you can see what it generates. Here you can click on next in order to share it to everyone using REMIX application, or using REMIX, or in REMIX platform. You can select only me, which means only you can see the post, or you can select everyone. Now because I'm showing you tutorial, I'll use only me. So now for the second one, how to transform your image using this AI, using REMIX. Now click on from image. Here click on this from image icon on the top. In order to generate the image, use your camera by taking a picture of it, or select it from your gallery. Here select the image you want to transform from your gallery. Now wait for it to upload. As you can see, it has complete uploading the image, which I will transform now. Now write what you want it to transform it into, or simply click on style, click on clay, or select any graphic style you want. Select anyone you want. Now click on apply. Now click on generate. Now wait for it to generate it for you. As you can see, it have completely generated it for us. Now you can click on next, share it to people. In order to save it also, select only you if you don't want to show it to the people on the Remix platform, because in the process of opening this Remix account, you create your own username, which means you have your own platform in this Remix. So now click on post. Here, now click on save to save it into your gallery or to share it into your Facebook account or Instagram account. Now you've seen it. Now for the third one, here you can see notification where people who liked your post are. You see it. You know, this is like a home. Remix is like a home of people who have image generating ability, or people who have the skills to ask AI for a particular image, or to ask AI to generate a particular image for them. Here you can find your homies. You can see how many people that is following me, how many posts. I just opened this account recently. See how many people that is following me. 3. That's nice. Always know this is a powerful AI image generator for Android. So guys, that's how, in order to see your profile, I've shown you everything. That's it. You can everything in order for you to be the best user of this application. Now, in order to remix others' image, just click on home, this icon on the head side. Now click on this triangle icon, slide to the image you want to remix. Now click on this remix icon on the down side. Now click on generate. Go for the AI to process it. You see what is going on. In case this happen, in case the AI didn't generate it perfectly, click on reroll. Wait for it to process it. Wait for it to regenerate it again. As you can see, it generates again. Or the second way, in order for you to perfect it, just go back entirely. Here, click on that remix again. Now click on generate again. Wait for it to process it. You see it. This is much better than the other one. Now click on next. Follow the steps which I have shown you. Click on post. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider liking, subscribe, hit the bell icon for more AI tools and tech related guide. To use this app or to find this app, check the description section to download it and use it. Don't forget, I'm GTech AI. See you on the next video. Thanks.